So, about 3 or 4 days ago, I discovered a little secret about shading, and I thought I should share it with you people. If you want to try this method out, it's pretty cool. So, I was busy doing a Demon Slayer and Shang-Chi themed piece. And while I was doing that, I was trying to find my way around, basically trying something new when it comes to shading. And so I ended up adding a gray layer to this drawing at first. But then I decided to change it to black because I thought maybe that would darken the parts of the drawing that I wanted to darken, and then just lower the opacity, and then that would be all. And I must say, this was something that I didn't think would go this hard or look this good. I mean, whether you think my drawing looks good or not is up to you, but that doesn't change the fact that I think the drawing itself, the colors of the drawing itself, came out looking pretty crisp, because this whole adding a black layer and then darkening it is a pretty quick and efficient way to add some shadow, especially if you want to try out shadow casting, like casting a shadow of a large object onto a surface like a wall, or basically just drawing the shadow of something anywhere and you want to really define it well. This is probably a really good way to do it. And I don't know, I feel like I personally am gonna play around with this. My goodness, I can't speak. I'm gonna play around with this technique a little bit more, just to see where it takes me. And if I find a way to actually implement this, make some changes to this in a way that I can actually consistently use it really well, then it might be my go-to for lighting. Hell, I might even try this with different colors and not just black. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. I'm just gonna show you guys a little clip of me basically just showing you guys the layers that were on Ibis Paint X, which, by the way, I use. This video is not sponsored by Ibis Paint X, but I prefer to use Ibis Paint X because I find it to be very very convenient and user friendly, while also offering a plethora of brushes and tools that you can use to make some very crispy looking art. It doesn't matter your art style, really. You could use it to create whatever kind of art that you want to create, as long as you of course know what you're doing. So shout out to Ibis Paint X. There's a lot of digital art platforms that do allow you to use multiple layers, such as Clip Studio Paint. I'm sure Adobe Illustrate allows you to do that, and yeah, I think Procreate also allows you to do that with multiple layers. So you could play around with this on whichever digital art platform you're comfortable with. And yeah, I don't know if you'll try this and get back to me, but if you do, let me know how it works out for you. Let me know if you think this is a good method of adding shadows to drawings, especially if you're trying to cover a large portion of your drawing with not so much effort towards the shadowing. Of course, details matter, but you want to be efficient when you draw pictures. But I appreciate you watching the video. I'm out. I'll see you guys on the next one. yeah, peace.